Ever wondered about the health benefits of that vibrant, tangy beverage known as hibiscus tea? Well, you're in for a treat because this tea, derived from the dried calyces of the Hibiscus sabdurifa flower, is not just a refreshing drink, it's a powerhouse of health benefits that have been cherished for centuries. One of the most compelling advantages of hibiscus tea is its rich antioxidant content. Flavonoids, anthocyanins, and polyphenols abound in this vibrant red brew, helping to combat oxidative stress and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Another feather in its cap is its contribution to heart health. Studies indicate that regular consumption of hibiscus tea can lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, thereby promoting cardiovascular wellness. It's also been found to lower cholesterol levels, another boon for the heart. For those managing blood sugar levels, hibiscus tea could be a valuable ally. It has been found to have hypoglycemic properties, aiding in the regulation of blood sugar levels, and potentially benefiting individuals with diabetes or those at risk of the condition. Weight management is another area where hibiscus tea shines. It can support weight management efforts when incorporated into a balanced diet and active lifestyle. Its diuretic properties help reduce bloating and water retention, while its ability to inhibit the production of amylase enzymes may aid in preventing the absorption of carbohydrates. The liver also enjoys the protective effects of hibiscus tea. Research suggests that it can help prevent liver damage and promote overall liver health, likely due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Digestive support is another of hibiscus tea's many roles. It acts as a natural digestive aid, soothing the gastrointestinal tract and relieving symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and constipation. Its mild laxative effects can help promote regularity and alleviate discomfort. Hibiscus tea is a veritable immune boost loaded with vitamin C. It strengthens the immune system, helping the body fend off infections and illnesses. Its antimicrobial properties may also aid in combating bacterial and viral pathogens. Skin health is another area that can benefit from hibiscus tea. Its antioxidants combat free radical damage and promote collagen production, contributing to radiant skin. Cooled hibiscus tea can also be applied topically to soothe skin irritations and reduce inflammation. And it's not just physical health that hibiscus tea supports. A cup of this calming brew can uplift the mood and promote relaxation. It's an excellent choice for stress relief and anxiety reduction, promoting overall mental well-being. Finally, hibiscus tea offers a refreshing way to stay hydrated. Its tangy taste is a flavorful alternative to plain water, making it easy to increase fluid intake and maintain proper hydration levels throughout the day. In summary, hibiscus tea is a veritable powerhouse of health benefits, from its antioxidant-rich nature to its heart health, blood sugar regulation, weight management, liver protection, digestive support, immune boost, skin health benefits, mood enhancement, and hydration properties. It's a refreshing beverage that does more than just quench thirst. Incorporating hibiscus tea into your daily routine can provide a delightful beverage experience coupled with a plethora of advantages for overall well-being.